Have you been set free in Christ but still find yourself struggling with old habits, guilt, or fear? Let's make today the day you reclaim your freedom. The freedom Jesus already paid for you. Galatians 5:1 says, "Stand fast, therefore, in the liberty by which Christ has made us free, and do not be entangled again with a yoke of bondage." This is both a reminder and a command. Listen, you've been set free through Christ, so act like you know. Stand firm in the gift of salvation that God has given to you. Yes, we all make mistakes, we all mess up, but that doesn't mean you have to slip back into the chains. Like, what did Tasha Cobbs say? Break every chain? Whether it's shame, perfectionism, or people pleasing, you don't have to wear that weight anymore. He already broke it off you. The enemy wants to drag you back into what God has already delivered from, but we ain't going there today, tomorrow, or February, okay? Freedom reigns in your life. Freedom isn't just the absence of bondage, it's the presence of boldness, of peace, and purpose in Christ. So today, choose to draw that line. Refuse to pick up what Jesus already took to the cross for you. Declare it out loud. I am free, and I choose to live free. I refuse to negotiate with the lies that the enemy tries to put in my mind and my heart. The next time the enemy tries to remind you of your mistakes and your past, remind him who you are in Christ. Guard your heart, your mind, and your soul by standing firm in the truth of who God is and what his son Jesus did for you on the cross. See you tomorrow for another 1 minute on purpose.